Nĩ kĩgomano gĩa gũthomithia mũingĩ bata wa gũthimagwo ndariri cia mũrimũ wa kansa mwĩrĩ-inĩ kĩrĩa gĩtabanĩtio kaunti ya Meru, ĩmwe ya kaunti iria ikoretwo itongoretie harĩ andũ arĩa mena kansa.
Screening saves life. Ni mzuri watu wafanyiwe uchunguzi wa saratani wakiwa hawasikii dalili yoyote, manake saratani haina dalili, saratani haina uchungu. By the time somebody has got signs and symptoms of cancer, you find that actually that cancer has gone very far.
Tuongeze awareness creation. Tulikuwa tunaona wagonjwa wakikuja in for stage 3 and stage 4, especially stage 4 prognosis is very poor or bad. But because of the awareness creation, people are coming to our facilities wakati unaofaa na tumereduce cases is stage 3, stage 4.
Utauliza wa vijana hata wazee waende hospitali waangaliwe wajue wako namna gani.
Kuringana na mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa ũthuthuria KEMRI, gũcenjia kwa ũndũire wa kĩrĩa andũ mararĩa nĩ ũmwe wa marĩa macũngĩrĩirie mũrimũ wa kansa gũtamba na gĩkĩro kĩnene. Maugĩte kwĩna mwĩhoko amu kansa nĩ honagwo ĩngĩambĩrĩria kũrigitwo tene, makĩria ĩ stage ya mbere kana ya kerĩ, no maya mothe mangĩkinyanĩra andũ mangĩtĩkĩra kũroragwo mahinda kwa mahinda.
The other risk factor is actually taking a lot of sugar. Taking a lot of sugar and also foods which are converted to sugar very fast, and then also taking a lot of milk, and of course of recently we are taking a lot of meat, red meat especially. And what is actually disturbing is that there is a lot of not smoking, actually smoking is not very common, is a lot of taking alcohol. Siku hizi tunakunywa pombe sana hapa Kenya, na ndio maana vile tunaona kwamba ukikunywa pombe mingi sana inakuwa shida.
Stage gani? Mbele hata kusikia hata tuliambiwa kansa haina uchungu, lakini wakati inamaliza kabisa effect ya kansa mwisho stage ya stage 4 ile ya mwisho ndio unasikia uchungu. Otherwise inakuwa sawa tu, nasikia hauna ugonjwa lakini pengine una kansa.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, jitagwo Jenga Wabui.